Hello, in this video we'll discuss about the coelectron, how coelectron arises, how it gives branches and how it supplies. Coelectron is the artery of the foregut which is arises at the level of T12 from the abdominal aorta directly. Coelectron gives three branches. First branch is right gastric artery, second is splenic artery, and third is common hepatic artery. Okay, so left gastric artery, which is a principal artery of the stomach, arises directly from the coelectron and course at the laser curvature. Okay, and it supplies the proper or main part of the stomach, and it give also some branches to the lower esophageal part, and then it anastomoses with the right gastric artery, which is a branch from the proper hepatic artery. Okay, so first branch is left gastric artery, which supply the laser curvature of the stomach. Then the second branch is splenic artery. Splenic artery, which has a tortuous course and goes behind the stomach or in the stomach bed, then gives two branches at the greater curvature of the stomach, that is short gastric artery, which supply the fundus of the stomach. Second branch that is left gastroepiploic artery, which supply the greater curvature and anastomoses with right gastroepiploic artery, which is a branch from the gastroduodenal artery. And then proper splenic artery supply the spleen, okay, which is aid artery. Then the third main branch from the coelectron, that is common hepatic artery. Common hepatic artery gives one branch, that is gastroduodenal artery. Okay, this gastroduodenal artery. Then gastroduodenal artery gives two branches. One is superior pancreatoduodenal artery, goes down and anastomoses with inferior pancreatoduodenal artery, which is a branch from the superior mesenteric artery. It also gives the second branch, that is right gastroepiploic artery, which anastomoses with left gastroepiploic artery and supplies the greater curvature of the stomach. Okay, then this common hepatic artery continues as a proper hepatic artery, and this proper hepatic artery gives one branch. Gives one branch, that is right gastric artery. This right gastric artery anastomoses with the left gastric artery at the laser curvature of the stomach. Okay, and at the inferior border of the liver, this proper hepatic artery divide into left hepatic artery and the right hepatic artery and supply the corresponding lobes of liver, that is right lobe of liver and the left lobe of liver. Okay, and this left hepatic artery gives one branch, that is cystic artery, which supply the gallbladder. Okay, so this is basically the coelectron and its branches. Coelectron has mainly three branches: left gastric artery, splenic artery, and the common hepatic artery. Okay, this is common hepatic artery, which supply the foregut. Splenic artery gives two branches: short gastric artery, left gastroduodenal artery, supply the spleen by the proper splenic artery. Then the common hepatic artery gives gastroduodenal artery one branch, and it continues as a proper hepatic artery. Proper hepatic artery gives right gastric artery and then divide into right and left hepatic artery. Okay, so this is coelectron. Thank you.